Hindi katulad ngayon. Hindi katulad ngayon. August, Abril na ngayon. Pagmamakaawa yung Pilipino sa tulong na 3,000. AIX nga yan, di ba? Assistance in Crisis at Situation. Pera nyo ba yan? Kayo ma'am, Yusek, pera nyo ba yan? Secretary, Yusek, pera nyo yan?
Madam Chair, we don't treat it as our money. We know it's people's money. That's why we're
patagal.
Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, if you can recall in the August yung list.
Because of politics. Because of politics. Hindi naman ako kalaban ninyo ah. Huwag niyo damay yung mga mahirap. Alam ni Senator Amy yan no? Panahon ni Senator Amy, siya yung chairperson. Lahat ng ni-request ni Senator Amy Marcos during the time of President Duterte, pinagbigyan, binigay. Lahat. Walang delays. Ni isang araw, walang delay. Anong sinabi ni Senator Amy noon, even during the last few months of President Duterte's administration? Binigay. Check your records.